cost. I'm ready.
Brad Garrett, you're on a show called Everybody Loves Raymond. Did you? Oh, the Jeff Richards Show.
Oh.
Illusion is a byproduct of different forms of shades, different forms of light. You might put shades on an object and it might ground the object. You might put light on an object and it makes the object pop.
Love fragrance.
Tell me about that.
And be careful with the toothpaste. In the sink, it can actually clog it. It can actually cause like an epoxy. That's
Hey, nut butter. I like a little nut in my butter.
I amp up.
At my age, I like to eat something healthy so I don't become a fat bastard. No offense.
So that's keep it rolling. That's one style, and then you have like
Quarantining.
Yes.
You been quarantining? How's it going so far?
I mean, there's nothing to do, but
I've forgotten it already. You ready?
we've been on what I call the Papillon diet.
Sure, with Dustin Hoffman.
Right. So we're
No,
I have like a kind of soul coffee, like carnival.
Boy, killing it, boy, killing it.
Right. So you have